In FarmCommand Center's new hail detection feature, growers can now identify potential damage and simplify claims through automated detection and reporting. Start by clicking on the FarmCommand Center icon here. Select a date or date range here. Select a grower, and your map will populate with all the fields for that grower. Click on Weather here, and then click on Hail. Select all hail sizes. At the bottom, click on Weather, and you will see the date or date range you selected. Dates in yellow will have hail imagery. The dates in black will have none. The date you select will show as white. Click on a date, and you will see the hail swaths in your region. You can narrow your search by sorting and filtering specific values. We'll narrow our search further to a farm. Zoom into the fields and click on the hail layer to get a pop-up with hail information.